Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Epson WorkForce WF2840. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable to your computer. This video tutorial is applicable to pretty much a lot of Epson WorkForce printer. Method is pretty much the same. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. We're going to disable the wireless network so that we can connect it with a USB cable. So if we go to the control panel, use right arrow button, go to the settings, select OK. We'll show you supply status, scroll down to network settings, select OK. We'll show you print status sheet, scroll down, Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Wi-Fi recommended, select OK. Then select OK again. The Wi-Fi wizard setup, scroll to the side. Scroll again to others, select OK. Then it will show you pin code WPS. Scroll again, Wi-Fi auto connect. Scroll again, disable Wi-Fi. Then you select OK. Turn off Wi-Fi connection, yes or no. Then you select OK to confirm yes. Setting up. We'll show you setup complete, then you select OK. Then go back to the home page. If you look on the Wi-Fi icon, it's grayish in color or blank. If you connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network, the icon will be blue color. So now we're going to connect this with a USB cable. Take this part of the cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it to USB port. This port. Push it in and it's in. Then take the other end of the cable. Connect it to the computer. And you will hear a tune to show you there is a connection. The next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. So select Windows Start. Select Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Printers and Scanners. Add a device. Add a device. After you add a device, you need to wait for the refresh to complete and look for Epson WorkForce from the list. So this is the printer, Epson WorkForce WF2840. Select on it. The printer is showing us idle. You can print a test page. Select print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Epson WorkForce on the laptop. Post name USB 110 data raw. If you want to scan a document, select scanner settings. Then you open scanner. Go on the left side and select the printer Epson WorkForce 840 series. Select on it. Now, the next thing to do is you put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, or you can scan using ADF. So stick the document face down. Make sure the document starts from the right. You will see arrow on the right side. So close the cover. This is A4 paper. Then select source as a flat bed. If you are scanning with ADF, then you select feeder. So source, flat bed. File type, scroll down to select PDF, or you can also scan with PNG. Show more. Then you select the color mode. We want to scan this in color. You can scan grayscale or black and white. Resolution The maximum is 1200. You can select 600 dpi resolution if you like. And we want to save this document in the document file. So you can select where you want to save the document. We want to save it in the document. You can preview the document or scan. So we want to scan the document, select scan. So this document is scanning. And also it will show you from the control panel that the document is scanning. And also you can also see it from the computer. Another thing I want to tell you is if you want the scanning to be quicker, then you need to select resolution around 300 dpi so that the scanning will be quicker. So we selected 600 dpi. This is the reason why it's taking a bit longer. So the higher the resolution, the longer it takes. So now it's processing. If you change your mind, you can also cancel the document. So the next thing to do is if you want to view the document, select view. To see the document we scanned, select view. This is the document. It's opening up. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print this document out, you select print icon or you select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard, Ctrl plus P at the same time. So this is the document. Make sure go on the left side, select correct printer. So it picked up Epson WorkForce WF2840 series. Then select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Layout, portrait. We want to print all. Color format, so you can select black and white or color. So color is selected. We want to print it on both sides. So scroll down to select print on both sides. But this document is only one page document, so there is no point. So we're going to print on one side, but you can print on both sides with this printer. Select more settings. Then you select the size of the paper as A4. Fit to the page, fit to the printable area, and one page sheet. Then you select print. So the document is printing. Printing is completed. This is the document we scanned, saved it to the computer, and printed it out. Thank you very much indeed.